Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Naturalhub, the ultimate destination for holistic living and wellness. Today's journey is all about unlocking the incredible potential of essential oils, and I've got the top 5 uses that will elevate your well-being. So grab your favorite essential oils and let's dive in. But first, let's set the stage. Essential oils are nature's gift, capturing the essence of plants in powerful little bottles. Now let's embark on our aromatic adventure, starting with a classic. Aromatherapy. Our first stop is the magical world of aromatherapy. Lavender oil, with its calming properties, is perfect for creating a tranquil environment. Imagine transforming your space into a Zen sanctuary with just a few drops in your diffuser. It's like a hug for your soul after a long day. DIY beauty. Next up, we're getting our DIY beauty game on. Tea tree oil, a skincare superhero, can be mixed with a luxurious carrier oil like jojoba to create a divine face serum. Say goodbye to those synthetic concoctions. It's time to let your natural beauty shine. Stress relief. Now, let's talk about stress relief. Picture this, a hot bath infused with eucalyptus oil, creating a spa-like experience in the comfort of your home. Or add a few drops to your shower for an invigorating escape. Stress, meet your match. Natural cleaning. Who says cleaning can't be a refreshing experience? Essential oils are the secret to turning mundane tasks into aromatic rituals. Mix lemon and tea tree oil with water and vinegar, and voila, you've got a natural antibacterial cleaner. Cleaning just became a delight. Sleep aid. Lastly, let's explore the realm of dreams with chamomile oil. Known for its calming effects, this beauty is your ticket to a restful night. Diffuse it in your bedroom or mix it with a carrier oil for a soothing wrist massage before bedtime. Prepare for the sweetest dreams ever. And there you have it, the top 5 transformative uses of essential oils. If you're ready to embark on this aromatic journey, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more wellness adventures, and hit that bell to stay updated. Until next time, embrace the power of essential oils, stay radiant, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.